that does work with church ministries. This ministry has not traded, does not even have a bank account. Is some strong women of God who have come together to preach the gospel. The mover of this motion has not indicated Calvary Creed again on evangelism and activities to do with the Church of Christ. I have not seen a single allegation against this company. Mothers of the Lord Limited. Again, this is a company incorporated by my wife, Pastor Dorcas, in 2021 with our friends. It has never traded. It does not even have a bank account. The Anani Collective. This is a business name registered by my son, Dr. Keith Rigadi, in 2021 before I came into office. And the ideas he had, they have not yet to fruition. So the company is dormant. I am waiting to see a single allegation. Apartments Limited, a company that the executors of the late Gachagua put together to manage Langata View Apartments. The late Gachagua left 80 apartments for his children in Langata and asked us to sell and the proceeds to the wives, the children, and the brothers in a formula that he gave. In a family meeting that I chaired, we agreed as a family that we should not sell the flats. We should share them so that everybody can be getting a rental income. As he gave to me, I have 10 flats. His daughter has 10, his wife has 5, another one has 2, another has 1. So we did put this company together called Grand Bypass Apartments Limited. This is a company that will be managing estate of the late Gachagua. Again, this company has been put here by the Honorable Mutuse as a company set to manage flats belonging to a dead good man, future of his children, on nonsensical allegations, simply because a decision has been made that Rigathi Gachagua is no longer useful to this administration. He is a spent cartridge. His work was to help fight Uhuru Kenyatta and get President William Ruto to power, and thereafter he is of no use, so he should be dispensed with and somebody else can be appointed against the will of the Kenyan people. That is the viciousness that we are even fighting the dead. How insensitive can we be? What is this power thing? That you even fight the dead for you to entrench yourself in power and get rid of your perceived political enemies. I appeal to the people of Kenya to have respect for the dead, if nothing else. People may have money, they may have power, they may have everything, but they must remember that it is very respectful to respect the dead. Please, stop haunting my late brother. Don't put him. He committed no crime by working hard and living and entrusting his brother, Gachagua, to look after that property. Fortis Viz Group Limited is a company incorporated in 2023 by my son, Kevin. This company has not even taken off. They are still figuring out. They have to come here every day to keep me company and find out what is not happening. This company has not even started. These are innocent boys who have decided to invest in their own country. Why do you want to destroy them? You can destroy Gachagua, fair enough. He has led for 59 years. But these boys, hardly 30 years. Why? Do you want to destroy them? Pioneer Medical Company Group. Why are you bringing it to Parliament? At the roundabout at Bomas on your way to Rongai. And we built this company from scratch. And it's been in existence for years. And when we stopped trading with it, we put up apartments in Koroi, in Rongai, called Rido Plaza, that are managed by this company. We collect rent. We have, I think, 40, we pay tax every month. What wrong has Rido Furniture Mart done? Rido Plaza was 12. Even if you want to kill his men and make sure he's totally destroyed, why don't you pursue him for the 2 years he has been in office? Why do you want to go back 20 years before he became deputy president and criminalize his enterprise and his hard work? Biovet Kenya Limited is a company, again, I founded in 2009. Many years before I even went to Parliament. It has not done business for the last 15 years. Not a single shred of evidence that this company has done wrong. It's not there. Morani Manufacturers Limited. It's a company that is founded by a character from our village and sold some shares to my wife and my children. This company has never traded in government. It has not done any business. It is actually dormant. I'm told the account has only have some shares in a company that has 132,000 shillings. In 2009, during the Kibaki era, it has not done business for 15 years. we demand that you say what this company has done. Wamunyoro Investments Limited is a company named after my village in Wamunyoro, which I founded in the year 2001 as a construction company. This company owns a lot of property that I bought in those years when the economy of this country was on. Since a single transaction with anybody. The company is dormant, but it owns property. Those properties were bought and acquired long before I became deputy president. Cosmea Venture Limited is a company that was incorporated in 2018 before I became deputy president by my sons. They do what you call bulk SMS. I used to give them work when I was member of parliament to send messages to my constituents. I think they were charging me 30 cents per SMS. Some young, enterprising young people. Company in 2018. It doesn't do business with government. It is not accused of any wrongdoing by anybody, anywhere. It's just name there. Royal Crimson Ventures operated in 2018 by my children to do their little business. No allegation of any wrongdoing. Annexed to the motion. Cruito Properties Limited, again, the Vipingo Hotel. No details of any accusation, any wrongdoing, nothing. Cristo Kenya Limited, this company I gave out my shares to when myself and my wife, we got out and asked them to continue doing business. My two children, like their father, very enterprising. Nyeri County, where I come from, we were hit badly by COVID, and all our hotels shut down. Hundreds of jobs were lost. Many people who were supplying to those hotels shut down. The two hotel was for sale, and my children were in. Hotel cannot be sold, and the person who owned Outspan Hotel had also leased the Treetops Hotel. Got an assignment of the lease, so they don't own Treetops Hotel. AWS to Aberdare Safari, then an easement to Cristo Kenya, that because they are not part of to defend them. They are grown-ups. They should defend themselves, but they don't have the forum. They went to a bank and borrowed 600 million. The documents are there. And bought a hotel and bought the lease. And I publicly announced that my family has acquired the two hotels because there was nothing to hide. I saw no need to advise my children, like other people do, to buy the properties through proxy, because this was straight business from the bank. And they were given 1 year moratorium, which is not over, to do the renovations and all that and open the facility. But I want to thank my son, Dr. Keith Regadi. He worked very hard. That I think last month or so, I was at the treetops with the British High Commissioner to open the treetops. It's important to the people of Nyeri and the system. It is in the Treetops Hotel that Princess Elizabeth slept